Mazda continues to push boundaries when it comes to being premium without premium pricing, and the latest iteration of the CX-70 serves as a perfect example. It's stylish, it's elegant, it's capable, it's very refined. Everything you would typically expect from much more expensive luxury brands. What really makes the 2026 Mazda CX-70 so special? Let's find out why competition can't match it. Design. At first glance, you might mistake the CX-70 for its three-row sibling, the CX-90, and that's completely intentional. Both vehicles share identical exterior dimensions, with the CX-70 measuring exactly the same 199.8 inches in length and sporting the same 119.1-inch wheelbase. But here's where things get interesting. While most automakers would shrink the vehicle when removing a row of seats, Mazda kept everything the same size and redirected that space into something far more valuable. The exterior design follows Mazda's latest evolution of their Kodo design language, and it's absolutely stunning. The front end features that distinctive grille design that Mazda calls fearless expression. Those narrow LED headlights give the CX-70 an aggressive premium appearance that honestly rivals luxury brands costing twice as much. The sculpted body lines create a taut, athletic stance that immediately communicates this isn't your typical family hauler. This is something designed for people who refuse to compromise on style. What sets the CX-70 apart from the CX-90 visually are the blacked out exterior trim pieces and unique wheel designs. These might seem like minor changes, but they completely transform the character of the vehicle. Where the CX-90 looks premium and family-focused, the CX-70 looks sporty and sophisticated. The sloping roofline that extends all the way to the rear creates coupe-like proportions that are rare in this segment, and those massive 21-inch wheels available on higher trims absolutely command attention. But here's what most people don't realize. By maintaining the same exterior dimensions as the three-row CX-90, Mazda created something unique in the two-row midsize segment. Most competitors like the Honda Passport or Jeep Grand Cherokee are notably smaller, which means the CX-70 offers the presence and road command of a three-row SUV, with the practicality focus of a two-row vehicle. Interior. Step inside the CX-70 and you're immediately transported into what feels like a luxury vehicle that costs significantly more than its price tag suggests. The dashboard is wrapped in genuine leather, not the fake stuff you'll find in most competitors. And the overall build quality easily rivals entry-level luxury SUVs from Lexus or Acura. Materials throughout the cabin feel premium to the touch, with soft surfaces dominating the areas you interact with most frequently. The centerpiece of the interior is the twin 12.3-inch display setup, one for the infotainment system and another serving as the digital instrument cluster. This creates a modern, high-tech environment that feels cutting-edge without being overwhelming. The seats deserve special recognition here, particularly in higher trim levels where you get genuine Nappa leather upholstery with contrast stitching. The front seats offer excellent support for long drives while providing the kind of comfort you'd expect in a much more expensive vehicle. But here's where the CX-70's unique positioning really shines. Because Mazda removed the third row but kept the same wheelbase as the CX-90, the second row is incredibly spacious. There's legitimate adult-sized legroom back there, and the rear seats can accommodate 3 adults comfortably, which is rare in this segment. The seating position feels premium, with good visibility all around and those available heated rear seats that make every passenger feel valued. The cargo area is where this strategy really pays off. Behind the second row, you get a massive 39.6 cubic feet of storage space, which is more than most three-row SUVs offer. Fold those second-row seats down, and you're looking at 75.3 cubic feet of total cargo capacity. That's legitimately impressive, and the flat-load floor with minimal wheel well intrusion means you can actually use every bit of that space effectively. Tech and safety features. Mazda packed the CX-70 with technology that punches well above its price point. The standard 12.3-inch infotainment display runs Mazda's latest software, and while it's not a touchscreen for most functions, the rotary control knob system is actually more intuitive than most touchscreen setups once you get used to it. The system responds quickly, the graphics are crisp, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across all trim levels. The available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. This isn't just marketing speak. The sound quality genuinely competes with audio systems found in vehicles costing twice as much. The speakers are strategically positioned throughout the cabin to create an immersive listening experience that makes every drive more enjoyable. Safety is where the CX-70 really separates itself from the competition. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named it a top Safety Pick Plus, which is their highest honor, and it's easy to see why when you look at the extensive list of standard safety features. Every CX-70 comes with blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capabilities, capability, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and forward automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Higher trim levels add even more advanced features like blind spot collision, avoidance assist, traffic jam assist, and a surround view camera system. But what's really impressive is how well these systems work in real-world driving conditions. The adaptive cruise control is smooth and natural feeling, the lane keeping assist isn't intrusive, and the automatic emergency braking system can actually detect cyclists and pedestrians with remarkable accuracy. Engines. Under the hood is where the CX-70 showcases Mazda's commitment to driving engagement. Every model comes with a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six engine that immediately sets it apart from the four-cylinder competition. The base version produces 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, which is already more power than most competitors offer in their top trim levels. But if you want something truly special, the Turbo S variant cranks out 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine is smooth, refined, and delivers power in a way that feels effortless. The inline-six configuration provides a level of refinement that turbocharged four cylinders simply can't match, with less vibration, smoother power delivery, and a more premium sound character. The 8-speed automatic transmission handles shifting duties, and while it occasionally hunts for gears at low speeds, it's generally smooth and responsive. All CX-70 models come standard with all-wheel drive, which isn't just a weather-handling feature, it's tuned to enhance handling and stability in all driving conditions. What really sets the CX-70 apart is how it drives. This is not your typical numb, disconnected SUV experience. The steering has actual weight and feedback, the chassis is beautifully balanced, and body roll is minimal even during aggressive cornering. Mazda's kinematic posture control system works in the background, applying subtle braking to inside wheels during turns to help the vehicle rotate with exceptional stability. The ride quality strikes an impressive balance between comfort and sportiness. It's firm enough to feel confident and controlled, but not so stiff that it beats you up over rough pavement. Road and wind noise are well controlled, making highway cruising peaceful and relaxing. Hybrid. For 2026, Mazda offers the CX-70 with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system that takes performance and efficiency to the next level. The CX-70 PHEV combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors for a combined output of 323 horsepower. This isn't just about fuel economy. This hybrid setup actually makes the CX-70 quicker than the gasoline-only versions. The 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides up to 26 miles of pure electric driving range, which covers most daily commutes without burning a drop of gasoline. When the battery depletes, the system seamlessly transitions to hybrid mode and delivers an EPA-estimated 25 miles per gallon combined. For many drivers, this means you could go weeks between gas station visits. Charging is straightforward with the included 240-volt charger that can replenish the battery from 20 to 80% in about 90 minutes. The hybrid system adds sophistication to the driving experience, with the electric motors providing instant torque that makes acceleration feel more immediate and responsive than traditional gasoline engines. What's particularly impressive is how well Mazda integrated the hybrid components. The transition between electric and gasoline power is nearly seamless, and the system never feels like it's working against itself the way some hybrid powertrains do. The CX-70 PHEV maintains the same 3,500-pound towing capacity as gasoline models, proving that electrification doesn't mean compromising capability. Release date and price. The 2026 Mazda CX-70 arrives later this year, building on the success of the 2025 model that's already winning awards and customer loyalty. Pricing will start at around $41,000 for the base preferred trim, which represents solid value when you consider the level of standard equipment and build quality you're getting. The premium trim, which we recommend for most buyers, will start at around $46,000 and add features like 21-inch wheels, a digital instrument display, and the excellent Bose audio system. The range-topping Premium Plus model will remain under $50,000 and includes luxuries like Napa leather seats, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. If you want the more powerful Turbo S engine, expect to add about $6,000 to these prices, while the PHEV models start around $52,000. Yes, it's more expensive than some competitors, but when you factor in the build quality, features, and driving experience, the CX-70 delivers premium value that's hard to match in this segment. But as much as the CX-70 is great, it's not the only mainstream crossover with premium credentials. Check out this video about the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia, which you can now see on the screen. This SUV offers the level of refinement that used to be unthinkable in a Toyota just a few years ago.